As expansive properties and tight schedules demand faster, cleaner lawn management, the market has seen a sharp surge in the requirement for efficient landscaping gear. While traditionally serving professional crews, high-quality residential maintenance gear now draws heavy appeal from property owners, hobbyists, and dedicated equipment enthusiasts alike. This roundup evaluates equipment across critical benchmarks: raw power and engine response, robust structural build quality, functional component layout, and exceptional long-term monetary value.
Product number 1. EHS litepro Tractor and Zero-Turn Mower Canopy. The EHS litepro offers an exceptional balance of structural longevity and practical operator protection. Engineered with lightweight, heavy-duty, high-density polyethylene, this shade canopy guards operators from harsh UV exposure and stray low-hanging debris. Its universal ROPS rollover protection structure mount accommodates framing between 1.5 to 3 inches wide, allowing a flawless fit across multiple major brands without rattle or flexing during fast lawn runs. For operators putting in long hours on hot afternoons, the value it injects via physical comfort is undeniable. The high-rigidity composition handles whipping branches comfortably, ensuring your investment outlasts multi-season wear. Product number 2. Zettum Zero-Turn Mower Cover. Outdoor equipment storage demands absolute weather resistance, and the Zettum Zero-Turn Mower Cover delivers precisely that. Built using ultra-dense 600D marine-grade Oxford cloth with an advanced polyurethane (PU) inner coating, this heavy-duty cover is profoundly waterproof and breathes effectively to stave off condensation. It fits diverse residential platforms, boasting decks up to 60 inches. Armed with a robust elastic bottom hem and windproof tie-down straps, it stays securely anchored during intense thunderstorms and high winds. For those short on enclosed garage space, this fade-resistant armor preserves sensitive paint lines and critical ignition wiring from rot and moisture damage. Wiz.ca. Product number 3. Mojack Easy Max 4501 Residential Riding Lawn Mower Lift. Routine underside maintenance becomes incredibly simple with the Mojack Easy Max 4501. Delivering a targeted 450-pound front-end lifting capacity, this lift raises residential zero-turn units up to 24 inches for unrestricted access. The mechanical layout relies on a heavy-duty screw drive system which can be operated via an onboard manual hand crank or seamlessly powered using a standard cordless drill. Security is paramount. The lift integrates 3 independent mechanical locking stops that securely bear the machine's weight, taking stress off the driving threads. When maintenance concludes, its clever fold-flat profile stores effortlessly against the wall or under a workbench. Ubai Djibouti.
Product number 4. Vevor Lawnmower Lift with Hydraulic Jack. The Vevor Hydraulic Lawnmower Lift brings heavy commercial-grade mechanics to residential garage spaces. Capable of hoisting a sturdy 500-pound front-end load up to a towering 25.9 inches, its premium carbon steel frame provides immense stability without flexing. Instead of mechanical hand cranks, this system implements a fluid-driven hydraulic jack to raise heavy decks quickly with minimal physical effort. Adjustable tire frame arms feature 4 distinct locking pins to accept wide tread widths varying from 40.4 to 48.2 inches. Outfitted with non-slip caster wheels and multi-position safety slots, it provides a bulletproof foundation for exchanging blades or deep cleaning caked organic debris. Vevor EU.
Product number 5. Jungle Gym's Jungle Jack V2 Mower Jack. Landscaping veterans often consider Jungle Gym's Jungle Jack V2 the gold standard for rapid, uncompromised trackside deck access. Utilizing an ultra-durable tooth and pin lift linkage, this jack safely elevates almost any modern zero-turn platform on the market today. It hooks directly onto the front frame horns, hoisting the deck upward in one fluid mechanical sweeping motion. The sheer simplicity of its solid welded tubular steel structure minimizes mechanical failure points, which means no hydraulic fluids to leak or screw shafts to strip over years of abuse. For professionals or large acreage owners requiring immediate blade sharpening or quick belt adjustments, its industrial speed saves valuable billable time.
Product number 6. Craftsman 36-inch Gas Riding Lawnmower.
The Craftsman 36-inch gas rider maximizes narrow gate agility while offering high-performance cutting capabilities. Powered by a highly dependable 11.5 HP Briggs & Stratton cylinder engine, this compact machine supplies consistent torque to power through overgrown yards. The tight 36-inch cutting deck glides cleanly through tight paths where massive commercial zero-turn decks get wedged. Its mid-back seating arrangement and responsive manual steering transmission give the operator complete situational control. While it uses traditional steering wheel's overlap bars, the machine mimics zero-turn efficiency via tight radius turning capability. It stands as an incredible monetary choice for suburban properties seeking serious gas power without a bulky footprint.